Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies around the globe today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since June 26, 2025, our system has classified Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.04. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 7.7%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.92% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising short-term trend down. This signals a slower rate of increase, but may also serve as an early warning about a possible shift in trend. With the trend now broken, there will be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at $306.65. A reaction back to this level may provide a second chance to exit before further declines. The current 3-month trend suggests the potential change of 32.51% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 35.13% and 76.99%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 22.35%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -0.686% to 116.19% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $298.65 and $650.10. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, "Is Tesla stock still a buy after falling by 5.34% on Tuesday?" The Tesla stock price dropped by 5.34% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, moving from $317.66 to $300. It has now declined for 6 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.32%. with a low of $293.21 and the high of $305.87. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 8.63% during this period. Notably, the volume surged on the last day by 69 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 143 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $43.06 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $488.54, while the lowest price was $182. Currently, the stock price stands 38.45% or $187.83 below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock, identified by the ticker TSLA, is encountering notable pressure today due to escalating tensions between CEO Elon Musk and former President Donald Trump. Following the Senate's approval of Trump's contentious tax bill, shares of Tesla have experienced a decline as Musk criticized the proposal, labeling it insane and suggesting it could contribute trillions to the national debt. Analysts observe that this public dispute is intensifying the stock's downturn, with reports indicating that Tesla is likely to announce a significant reduction in electric vehicle sales in the near future. In the short term, the immediate effects on Tesla's stock price are expected to be negative, as market sentiment may be influenced by Musk's confrontational style, attracting scrutiny from investors worried about potential repercussions. This discord not only undermines investor confidence, but also raises concerns about Tesla's leadership and strategic direction amid declining sales figures. However, some experts propose that Musk's renewed focus on sales in the United States and Europe could provide a counterbalance to current pressures. Furthermore, the potential for a boost in sales ahead of the expiration of specific electric vehicle tax credits might offer long-term support for the stock. In summary, while Tesla is grappling with short-term challenges, the company's long-term prospects may depend on its ability to manage leadership distractions and seize market opportunities effectively. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Tesla a sell grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla an outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla an overweight grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Tesla stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $326.35 and $331.33. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, June 23, 2025, and since then, the stock has fallen by 13.76%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 98 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.70 and $282.76. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking through this level may lead to a decline towards the next support. In Tesla's case, the support just below today's level is at $284.70. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $282.76 and $272.20. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, its risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $12.66 between its high and low, representing a 4.32% change. Throughout the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.69%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts predict consensus estimates at 0.43. It is important to monitor these figures as they can substantially influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at 326.09. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at 284.70. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June 2025, Zhu Xiaotong conducted an insider sale of 15,000 shares of non-qualified stock options, which is the right to buy. On the same day, Zhu Xiaotong also conducted an insider purchase of 15,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 12th of June 2025, Zhu Xiaotong sold another 15,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of June 2025, Taneja Vaibhav conducted an insider sale of 6,538 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Taneja Vaibhav also purchased 6,538 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 52.214. Overall, insiders purchased 1,117,872 shares and sold 3,760,826 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and the stop loss has not been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? The Tesla stock presents several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Tesla may perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, we expect Tesla to open lower by approximately 780 cents and start trading at $299.93. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. We advise consulting a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.